I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Miss Sugar, and I'm back with another mukbang and this messy wig. And another mukbang way. In this messy wig, I got some fish here and some potatoes and some cornbread. I'm about to tear it up because I'm hungry, y'all. Get it. Make them. Bow. Hey, y'all. Welcome back. Old and new. How are you, y'all? How y'all doing, my buttery biscuits? How y'all doing today? I'm so hungry. I kind of just got in the house. So, I'm hungry. And it's funny because I have Royal Farms chicken too in the back, along with what I got in front of me. So I was like, you know what? Since I'm about to cook this, I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to eat the Royal Farms later. That's going to be another video. Now, I just did 2 videos today. This is my second video of the day. The first one I did was the cotton candy ice one. You know, the video that was inspired by Ali, Iceberg Jesus. I can't even talk. So, I'm going to talk about that. But in the meantime, we going to dive into the sexy plate that I got in front of me. Smothered sugar. Smothered. What I got here is some fried fish. Mama said it's like rockfish up here somewhere. I don't know that. And some of these taters. I don't know what you call these, but they're wonderful and delicious. And some cornbread from the Jiffy box. So, let me get a fork, Jesus. There we go. Trying to get my life together. So, I kind of just got in the house. So, yeah. Okay. I'm going to say my grace. Lord, bless this fish that's in front of me, Jesus. I went out earlier, so I pray to God that I did not bring the Rona back up in here, okay? So let's bless my immune system and my food, Jesus. And I say all these things in your precious name that I pray. Amen. Hallelujah. Stop me now. I don't know what kind of thumbnail that was. We just gonna work with it, okay? How y'all doing today? Oh, you're wonderful. I didn't even heat this up. Y'all came straight in the house. And I said I'm just gonna get these 2 videos out of the way. Because I went to the market. Well, no. That's not, no. Well, I did do that. This must be the rockfish. So I went to get a tetanus shot today because of some of y'all may or may not know I had stepped on a sensor needle at my job not too long ago. And I told y'all that my boss was laughing at me on the low because she chuckled when I was talking to the nurse on the phone. Lady is not nice. But yeah. Wait, let me eat. Because this... I'm going to get into the story. I just need to eat. My lips right all ashy. My lips probably so chapped. What do y'all call these kind of taters? For those that know. Because I don't know what they are called. Put it in the comment section. Anyway, I guess I can tell the story now. So like I said, I was going to the urgent care people because I had a work-related injury. I stepped on a sensor needle, like I said earlier. I didn't have to wait that long. I was kind of nervous because I really didn't want to be out in the open. Not really that really don't care too much to be out in the open too much, but at the same time, I was like, you know, I'll be all right. As long as you take care of yourself, wash your hands, and all that good stuff. So I think it's rather funny how I stepped on a sensor needle and that joint was hurting like crazy. That joint hurt like hell. But then when I get the tetanus shot, I'm a whole G and it doesn't hurt. Cause I'm just sitting there like, all right, go ahead. And then it was just like a quick pinch. But the sensor needle tore me up. Get a piece of this cornbread. Oh! I need to do shout outs. That's good. I think I gave a shout out to M&H Munchdown. I think I did. Oh, anything goes with Nicole. I'm shouting you out. Because she did my messy wig challenge. I thought DC Mukbang was bad. Nicole got stories. You was a hot mess, girl. I've been getting chased by the popos. Stealing people's cars. She's terrible. And the Wi-Fi story. That's why I call it Wi-Fi to this day. I've been there. I had did the same exact thing. That's what I thought it was called, Wi-Fi. So shout out there because she did my challenge. And I think Becky East Mukbang is doing hers. But the wig I saw was not messy. Becky. She looked cute. Not saying she never looked cute. I'm just saying her wig was cute. It was like her regular hair. So I have to watch that one. And I think, oh, shout out to DC Mukbang. I got to shout her out because the earring she got me in the previous unboxing video. If you have not seen that, please check it out. DC Mukbang is starting her own business, her jewelry line, and she said she was inspired by me because I wear these all the time. And somebody she know, when she used to wear these, she said somebody she knew stole hers. Oh, thief and heifer. I don't know who would do that, Jesus. But yeah. But she said by me wearing these and stuff like that, I inspired her to start a jewelry line. Jesus, won't he do it? And she got me some really cute earrings. So look at that video, y'all, because she got me some cute stuff. And I need to make a correction because I did not say the word right. I thought it was Yorthy. It's pronounced earthy. That's her collection. So it's earthy. I think it's African jewelry line. Afrocentric or something like that. Get the damn fish. So shout out to DC Mukbang. Well, Mukbang. What's out there? I'm hungry as hell. I couldn't wait to eat them. I might just eat 2 pieces. When I left the back to the store, when I left the urgent care people to get my tetanus shot, decided to go get me some Lysol. Went to like 3 different stores. They have not one thing of Lysol. They done took it all, Jesus. I'm like, God damn. That's all good though. Oh, shout out to Eating with K and the Creative Creole, because I was in Eating with K live last night on IG. We was cutting up a little bit. Hey y'all, beautiful people. That's cute. This is good. Shout out to my cousin Phil for giving us some fish, because that's where this came from. He don't watch me though, so whatever. Most of my family does it. I don't think any of my family watches me. But yeah. Let me get on to this ice eating situation. Because I just did it. So by the time you see this video, that video will already be posted. So I need to tell y'all that Ali Iceberg, a lot of y'all may or may not know of her. She is my favorite ASMR as far as it goes. As far as ice eating goes, she's my favorite ice eating channel. Come on, Frankie Frank. Yeah, get up on here. Ooh. He said, you ain't gotta rush me, I'm getting on. So, I saw a while ago that she did a cotton candy video with ice. She used Fil-A ice. I was nowhere near Fil-A. So I said, let me just go to Royal Farms. That's the closest place. So I said, let me try this whole idea out. And that's what I did. So I go to Royal Farms. I go to the Dollar Tree. Because the Dollar Tree was the only place that I knew that had cotton candy. I couldn't find any other place that had like single cotton candy. Like this one flavor, one kind. This the only kind I had is the ones of these little bags right here. That's all I could find. And you know they different colors. So they fuse. They fuse together. So in my mind, I'm thinking like, oh, this gonna be pretty, just like hers. Pour that Sprite in that bowl. Put that cotton candy there to sizzle. Damn thing there turned out different colors. Turned it to brown. Like brown dirty water. I only wonder what the views on that video, no, the comments on that video gonna be if people watch it. I'm thinking I'm gonna have pretty soda water. So it was dirty brown. Now, Ali Iceberg's video, I saw she put 3 of them joints in there. 3. I said, oh, hell no, that's hella diabetical. Jesus, I don't want that. So I used 2 bags. I said, I'm good. I'm not trying to. And I'm glad I did that because it was kind of sweet. It smelled good, though. But it was like Flintstones mixed with cotton candy a little bit. That's what they like. This is so good. Turn this shit up. Would I do it again? Oh, Lord, the thing falling. A video like that, you only do like probably once every 3 months or something. So it's gonna be like 3 months down the line that I redo that. So it's kind of a fail. And speaking of fails, I did the powdery ice one too. And I was like, that's right. You don't have any carbonated water. So your ice is not going to look powdery. Because that's how they get it to look. I was like, oh, that's why they stuff look like that. Because it's carbonated. My powdery ice video did not look too well because the ice was not carbonated. Or the water, whatever you want to call it. Sam. I said, you know what? I'm still going to post this video because you can still hear the crunches. So, everybody in the video was so nice about it. So, I'm like, oh, it's not a fail. You did the crunches good and all that good stuff. I didn't think it was because of the fact that my ice did not come out the way I wanted it to. That's the only reason why I said it was a fail. So, I appreciate y'all for the feedback. Because I thought it was a fail. Just like I feel like that cotton candy one was kind of a fail too because of the color of that soda water. The soda cotton candy situation. But I'll do it again, but it'll be like 2-3 months from now. I'm almost finished, Jesus. I know I wasn't talking too much. I ain't had that much energy because I'm just hungry. She was on that video being nosy. She was judging me though. She don't like it. Doesn't like it. I don't care. I like it. So, I'm about to tear this up. And I'm finna let y'all go in a second. I'm hungry as hell. Y'all like to bear with me because I'm really trying to work on this setup I got here. I do like this, but I just don't like the background because this is not my stuff. But as far as y'all seeing the food and me eating it, and I'm still talking, I do like the way it looks. So just give me some time, y'all. Until then, I'm gonna keep on posting. This is so good. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that. This is delicious. Almost finished. Almost finished. Almost finished. That's how you know food is good to you when you start dancing, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe. Ring the bell that's on the side. Ring that bell that's on the side. All my people out there, stay black and be great. Shout out to Ali Iceberg. That's why I should have shout out because I forget. So if y'all want to try the cotton candy ice situation, make sure you get a single color kind of cotton candy. Don't do what I did to get the multicolored. Don't do this. Don't do it. Well, with that said, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Be safe out there. I love y'all. All right? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Eat the food, Jesus.